In the meantime, Chinese EVs are seeing rapid growth in the United Kingdom. Phil LeBeau joins us right now. He's got more from London. Hello, Phil.
Hi, Becky. You know, we've covered this story around the world. We've been to Chile. We have been over here in Europe. We've also been to Asia, looking at the growth of Chinese autos being exported to a particular country or region. Here in Europe, the UK is where the Chinese are seeing rapid growth. How quickly are they growing? Primarily in EVs and plug-in hybrids. Look at the growth here. Now, the UK EV market has had substantial growth over the last couple of years as they are transitioning towards more EVs. 2019, they only had 1% market share, the Chinese did. Now they have basically 1 out of every 3 electric vehicles sold in this country. We went to a Geely dealership southeast of London, Maidstone. That's where we went, and we went to this dealership, just opened up about 7 months ago. We saw a number of customers, and when you talk with the customers, almost all of them say the same thing. Attracted by a price that is, generally speaking, less than what a legacy automaker would charge for a comparable model, and then it's the fit, finish, and technology. That's what's drawing in the buyers.
I think there's a price point where people want to be able to enjoy the drive, enjoy the technology, but for a reasonable price. And I think that's the big thing for some of the automakers. I think they've been in a very healthy position for a long time, and there's a new kid on the block, and they need to pay attention.
So we've had Jeeps for the last 9 years. We fancied a change. We were looking at all different varieties of cars, all different makes, and we found that the Geely is the best value for money for what you get, and you get everything in a Geely.
Take a look at China auto sales in the UK. 2015, less than 1,000. Last year, they sold more than 285,000. That number is expected to go up again in 2026. As you take a look at the European automakers, we've talked about it for some time, the pressure that, in particular, Volkswagen is facing right now. We will likely have some type of a decision in the next month or so in terms of cost cuts, potential layoffs, etc., as the European automakers, guys, are looking at what's happening in the UK as well as around Europe, and they're saying we have got to adjust to the competition coming in from China.
Wow. Watching the numbers jumping from 20 to 20, whatever the latest numbers were, just the incredible increase in growth on that and the incredible decrease in the European automaker stocks. Are those companies calling for help in terms of trying to keep out Chinese imports the way that we have done in the United States?
Yes. Yes. And they already have some tariffs that are in place for the EU, particularly for plug-in hybrid electric vehicles. They do not have that here in the UK, which is why you see the rapid growth with plug-in hybrid electric vehicles from China here in the UK. But I have to tell you guys, the number one thing, and that's sort of a separate discussion about what policies should be put in place. When you talk to the consumers, and I can't tell you enough, I've experienced this in South America, in Europe, also in Asia. Anytime I talk to people about why they're attracted to a Chinese vehicle, price is the first thing.
Price.
If something is, in the case here, 5,000 pounds, 10,000 pounds less than a comparable model, they will go with the cheaper model, especially if the fit, finish, and technology is, generally speaking, on the same level.
It's kind of universal. We've all dealt with that. Phil, thank you.
Yeah.
It's good to see you.